that's working the video, and here is the step. So know that restarting your phone will actually clear everything on your phone. So it doesn't matter whether you have your pictures, videos, everything on your phone. Resetting it or factory resetting it will actually clear everything on your phone. So mostly we do this when you want to hand your phone over to someone else, okay, or let's say a friend or a family member, and then you can just do the factory reset. And I'm going to show you with the buttons on. So we have two ways of resetting a phone. We have one that you're going to use your phone settings, which will require of your phone password, and then another one which is using the phone buttons, which will not require a password. So if in case you have forgotten your password, then you will try the button one, and know that this one, although is for Hot 30i, but will work for most of the phones. Okay, so yes, just give it a try, and then let me know your feedback in the comment section whether it worked for you or it does not work. Okay, so yeah, if you're new, just subscribe and like the video, and I'll be more videos right here on this channel. So know that this will clear or erase everything on the phone. So just back up your files before you try this, and this video is for educational purpose. Let's start with it and let's go. So first, let me show you with the settings, the one that it will require of your phone password. After that, I'll show you with the buttons as well. And know that after resetting, there are some things that you need to just make changes to. I mean, set up your phone. So that one will also follow up after using your settings and also the buttons. Then the process to set up your device will also follow. So let's go to our phone settings. When you go to your phone settings, scroll down from here and look for system and tap on system. When you tap on system, when you come to this side, scroll down a little and look for reset phone and tap on it. When you tap on it, when you come to this side, go to erase all data, and this will erase all data. So make sure you have back up some of your files or all your files that you need most. Then look down here and tap on erase all data. So when you tap on it, it will ask of your password. Then you will enter your password right there. Okay, and then your phone will lastly ask you to confirm whether you want to restart your phone or not, or maybe it was a mistake. So just giving you the final prompt to erase all your data or to factory reset or reset your phone. Then you tap on erase all data. Okay, so you tap on it, your phone will switch off. Yes, and as you can see, this is the process. This is how it will be. So as you do it that way, you are done. You have to wait for your phone to reset itself, clear everything from your phone, and then give you a fresh start. So let me continue with the one that you use the buttons. Then I'll continue from the setup as well. But if you haven't if you haven't followed us, subscribe to this channel for more updates right here on this platform. And also let me know, what phone do you want to know the reset procedure or everything that you want to know about the phone? Let me know in the comment section, and then I'll check and let you know as well. Okay, so there is it. There is the button that I'm talking about, the power key, and then also the volume up. This is what you're going to use, and I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide that you will just follow. Okay, but now we will be focusing on the power key and also the volume up key. And what you're going to do is you will tap on the power key for 3 seconds plus the volume up key. But with the volume up key, you will keep holding it without taking your hands off it. So it will be something like this and also like this. You will tap 1, 2, 3, you raise this hand, and then this will still be on. Wait for like 3, 4, 5 seconds. Something will pop up on the screen, and then you remove your hand from it. Okay, so let me just follow what I just showed you, and then let's see how it will go. But please like the video and subscribe for more videos as well. So let's start with it. Our hand is here, another one is up there. 1, 2, 3, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Then this hand is off. The power and the volume plus key is still there, and then you will see something like this. Okay, so if you see something like this, then you are almost there. So the next thing I'm going to do is to tap on the power key again for 2 to 3 seconds, and then you tap on the volume plus key just once. Okay, so let's give it a try. It will be something like this. 1, 2, 3. Then you just tap on the top right here. So let's start with it. 1, 2, 3, then 1, and then you will see something like this. Okay, so if you see something like this, you will then leave your hand out of whatever key that you were pressing on right here. Okay, so this is how it will be, and you'll be using the volume up and then the volume down to control everything right here. So yeah, now let me just turn off, and then let me take you through the process once again. If you haven't like, you want to subscribe. So let's go. Okay, then you see we are here. So there is it. Now it comes with a lot of features that you really want to use. Okay, but we have the Weibo system now. We are focusing on factory reset. Factory reset. This is the one that we are focusing on. Okay, so let's slide down to factory reset and know that everything on a device will clear. Everything on a device will clear. Okay, then you will use your power key to select. Okay, so the moment we tap on this, then everything will start deleting and restarting. Okay, so let's start by tapping on it once. Okay, and then we have this. You can either cancel it. So let's say it was a mistake, you just tap on it. You can just tap on cancel. It will bring you back. And then if you think it is what you were going in for, you tap on the power, then just go to factory data reset. You select that one by tapping on the power key. So now you can see wiping data, formatting metadata, rewriting zero success, and success right here, and data wipe complete. Now everything is done, and then you can see Weibo system. So you can just go down from here, and then you go to power off. Okay, and now let's turn the device on. If you want to subscribe because more videos will be coming right here on this platform. Okay, so now we are done with it, and as you can see right here, select language, and then you will select your current language right there. Tap on next, and then you select your location right here, and then tap on next. And this side, insert SIM card, you can just go to skip, or you do as they say, connect Wi-Fi. You can just skip that one as well. Skip. And then we have this side, user agreement. Scroll down, read everything right here, and tap on I have read and agree to the above terms. Just tap on next. Okay, and then this side, this is what you're going to do. Scroll down again and come to accept. Okay, and now you can just set your password or anyone that you want. Okay, or you can just tap on skip, and then later you do that one. Okay, now tap on skip again, and then you have the gesture, and then the buttons. You select one, and then you just tap on next. Okay, and then you are done with it. You are done resetting your device. But make sure, as I said, it is your device and no one's device. Make sure it is yours. So please like the video, subscribe, and follow us for more updates right here on this channel.